10 surprising facts that you didn't know. Number 1. A cockroach can live 9 days without its head before it starves to death. Number 2. The human heart creates enough pressure when it pumps out to the body to squirt blood 20 feet. Number 3. Rats multiply so quickly that in 18 months, 2 rats could have over a million descendants. Number 4. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky, because the anatomy of their neck muscles and the spine that limits the movement of their head and restrict them to look totally upwards. Number 5. The name of all the continents end with the same letter that they start with. For example, Asia. Number 6. Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulbs, was afraid of the dark. Number 7. Aeroplane food isn't very tasty since our sense of smell and taste decrease a lot during flights, because of low pressure and dryness. Number 8. Antibiotics are only effective against bacteria, they won't help in fighting off a virus. Number 9. Your sense of smell is around 10,000 times more sensitive than your sense of taste. Number 10. Talc is the softest mineral found on Earth, reaching just 1 on Mohs scale of hardness. It is often used to make talcum powder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, share and subscribe.